Robbins, everybody! Woo! Hey, does anybody out here, we got any Mark Mir fans out there? Yeah! Pretty awesome. He comes and does our puppet show. Very nice. All right, so you guys you're in for a real special treat next. I guarantee you probably haven't seen anything ever like what you're about to see.
Especially if you're blind. Blind.
Well, that would be accurate. How long of a setup do you guys think you're gonna need? How many minutes? 10 minutes? All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, our next act is from Lion Hill of Columbia, South Carolina. Lion Hill is woo, yeah, South Carolina! All right. Mr. Lion Hill is the artistic director of the Columbia Marionette Theater. Have any of those Columbia, South Carolina people been to the theater? All right, go check it out. Lion does some amazing stuff over there. We're really thrilled to have him here tonight. And this show is called Supine. And Supine depicts a dream experienced by Lion's wife, Jenny May. And because Lion's a puppeteer, his wife had a crazy dream, and he turned it into a puppet show, which is the natural thing that you do when you're a puppeteer. Okay, this crazy thing happened. Let's make a puppet show out of it. So, Lion, what you're going to see is very different from most things that puppet shows you've seen. There's going to be a live camera feed over here that Lion's setting up right now, and we've staged it in such a way that you'll be able to see how Lion does the show. So you'll see him down here at the front of the stage getting set up, and you'll see the show on the screen, but you'll also see Lion and how he sort of does it over here. It's very, very exciting and very cool. Slightly technically complicated. But Bob, do you have any anecdotes?
So it's kind of like seeing how the sausage is made.
And everybody loves that. Do you want to make some sausage?
What?
You want to make some? How's little Jamie? Speaking of making sausage.
Well,
you know.
How is she doing out there? Is she still? I have no idea. I have no way of knowing where my fork.
Well, just look over the edge there.
I'm looking over it.
What do you see?
Well, my eyes are perfectly functioning behind this mask.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can tell. See?
Oh yeah. Look at all that down there.
Yeah. Wow. It's beautiful.
Very exciting. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Lion is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our thrilling pleasure to introduce Lion Hill with Supine.
Sound, please.
Well, while we wait, is anybody drinking? Yeah, all right, well, welcome to the club. Puppetry goes very well with alcohol, we find, here at the show. All right, I think we're ready, okay.